Hi everyone. So I didn't do a video yesterday because we went to Soft Play and had pizza. But when I was over that way, I popped into Farm Foods. Farm Foods is one of them shops where I always go in there and like, why do I not come here more often? And I'm like, it's because it's the other side of the city and we only have one in our city now. But I was so glad that I went in there because I got some really good deals. Oh my God, them chocolate Ritz crackers. I've not had them in absolute donkey, so I was very happy. And then this morning, I popped to Tesco's because my mop had broke. And their fridges had broke. Well, they had one row of fridges left, so they were reducing everything and putting it in that one row of fridges. So I got some really good deals, actually. That pork joint, £16 down to £6. So I was very happy with that. That's gone in the freezer. To be fair, most of this is in the freezer. But it's just topped me up. Saves me a bit of money. So I'm very happy. I got some really good deals. And that's literally how I save money. Follow for more.